Today, we have the 50-in-1 action camera accessory kit from the company Neewer. It's compatible with about all action cameras, including the GoPro series, the Sony Sports DV action camera, and more. It includes a bicycle handlebar holder mount, a wrist strap for remote, a mini tripod, a selfie stick, a clamp, a suction cup, a floating handle grip, a wrist strap, a head strap, a chest strap, a carrying case. So without any further ado, let's get it open and see what's inside. The clamp here can be used to mount your action camera just about anywhere. It makes it easy to just clamp it to your book bag strap or jacket, press record and go. Here is the helmet extension arm for more immersive and engaging video while you ride, race, or go biking. Here are some adhesive pads. This kit comes with these along with 5 other pads for the different strap buckles for mounting to your helmet. The wrench here is handy for tightening down the screws on your action cam to make sure it's secured. Here we have the Surface J-hook buckle. This can be used for mounting the action cam to the helmet as well as the chest strap. The flat mount here is used for mounting the action cam to the selfie stick as well as the mini tripod. There are 3 curved mounts in this bundle. They can be used with the helmet arm extension, the helmet itself, the suction cup, and with any of the strap buckles. The kit comes with 4 screws. One of them is a bit shorter than the rest, and we'll get into the usage for that later on in the video. Here we have the helmet strap for securing the action cam to the helmet without having to use the strap buckles. The bicycle handlebar holder mount works great for bike riding. You can use it with the adjustable pivot arms provided in the kit to get the best angles while riding your bike. These are the adjustable pivot arms used with the bicycle handlebar holder mount. The wrist strap secures your camera to your wrist like a watch and works great for surfing or mountain climbing and four-wheeling as well. Here we have the chest strap. This is great for personal perspective footage and taking videos of walking through the downtown area of a city or while hiking a trail. Now going back to the short screw from earlier, this is where we're going to put that into use. The short screw here is used for securing the action cam to the chest mount. The kit comes with 12 anti-fog sheets. These work good for cameras that aren't waterproof to eliminate fog buildup while using a waterproof housing. Here we have a pouch that comes with the kit. You can use this to keep together some of the small parts that you need on the go. The adjustable head strap here works just like the chest mount. Depending on the point of view you prefer, you may want to use the head strap instead of the chest strap. The kit comes with both, so you have the option to use either or. Here is the selfie stick that comes with the kit. It's pretty sturdy and it has a good extended reach. It's great for getting those far out angles while pointing the camera yourself. The selfie stick uses the flat mount that comes with the kit. You can see here the rolling knob that you turn to tighten on the flat mount to the selfie stick. Just put it on, turn the knob and tighten it up. Here we have the strap buckles that come with the kit. It comes with 3 curved strap buckles and 2 flat. These are used to mount the action camera to the helmet, but you can use these strap buckles to mount the action camera to pretty much anything. Here is the curved buckle strap, and here is the flat buckle strap. Here we have the adhesive pads for the strap buckles. If your action camera has a remote, this kit comes with a wrist strap for that as well. The floating handle grip here is really nice. Not only is it good for shooting footage out on the water, but it also gives you good stability and control while shooting your footage as well. And if you drop it in the water, the easy to see yellow handle will float to the surface. The mini tripod here is nice. It uses the same flat mount as the selfie stick. It's very sturdy and flexible and works great for stationary footage at many different angles. The suction cup here gives you the option to use your action camera as a dash cam. You can just put it onto the windshield, snap it on there, and record everything that's going on in traffic as you're driving. This is one way you can mount it to the suction cup. You can also turn the clip around and mount it the other way if you would like for the action cam to go on the lower end rather than the top end, as I have it here. If you like this kit, I'll drop a link in the description.